Aloha! Welcome to part 2 of the Noeau Center's virtual workshop on APA citation and formatting. This workshop series focuses on the 7th edition of APA, primarily the expectations for student writing. Throughout the workshop, we'll refer to a sample paper, which you can find on the Noeau Center website if you would like to follow along or have a reference in front of you. In this section, we will be looking at in-text citations, or how to indicate the source of your information in the body of your writing. It is helpful to complete your references page before working on in-text citations, so you may want to check out part 1 of this workshop series if you haven't already. In this workshop, we'll walk through some of the basics of in-text citations, but we know that you may have additional questions that are not covered in this video. For more information on how to cite other types of sources, check out the Purdue OWL or reach out to us by email at uhwowc@hawaii.edu. The most common type of in-text citation includes the author's last name and date of publication, separated by a comma within parentheses. For sources with two authors, list both authors' name with an ampersand between them, like this. Don't forget the year. For sources with 3 or more authors, list the first author's last name followed by et al. This is Latin for and others. If you're using a direct quote from a source, you'll want to use quotation marks to indicate where you are using someone else's exact words and include the page where the quote is found in your in-text citation. If you use the author's last name in the sentence, follow their name with the year of publication in parentheses, but include the page number at the end of the quote. If the source that you're using doesn't have page numbers, use paragraph numbers instead. This information is included similarly to the way page numbers are included. For more resources or to make an appointment with a tutor, visit our website at westoahu.hawaii.edu/Noeau Center. If you have any questions or concerns, reach out to your instructor or to the Noeau Center at 808-689-2750 or by email at uhwowc@hawaii.edu. Thanks for watching!